If we are to deal with a slightly more complex failure, where we have secondary failures, it will look something like this. Let's look at hydraulic Blue Reservoir Low Level. This is an independent fault, as we can see here with the line under the hydraulic title, as well as the amber caution here shows that it is a level 2, which is also indicated through the single chime you're going to hear in a second. This is how the failure would be played out between the crew members. Master caution. Hydraulics, Blue Reservoir Low Level.
ECAM actions.
Hydraulics, Blue Reservoir Low Level. Failure verified. Blue electric pump off. Hydraulics, Blue electric pump confirm.
Confirm.
Off. Blue system low pressure. Clear hydraulics.
Clear hydraulics.
Secondary failures. Flight controls. On flight controls, we have lost the blue hydraulic system and spoilers 3 on either side. All primary flight controls are operating through the yellow and green hydraulic system. Clear flight controls.
Clear.
Status.
Stop ECAM.
No normal checklist, no computer reset.
Read status.
Status. Landing distance procedure applied. Slats slow, Cat 3 single only. Inoperative systems, Blue hydraulics, spoiler 3, Cat 3 dual, emergency generator, and Blue electrical pump are inoperative. Remove status.
Remove status.
ECAM actions complete.